Hi students, I'm Mr. Khor and I specialize in teaching SPM Biology. So today we are looking at SPM Biology 2021 Selangor Paper 1 Set number 3. Okay, let's get right into it. So of course, again, before continuing with this session, the best would be that you have attempted all the questions, then we look at it together, okay? And because objective, normally for simpler ones, I do not want to waste much time. So I will just let you know what the answer is. And if there's a need to discuss anything tough, I'll elaborate further on other answers, okay? Come, guys. So for question 1 here, we are looking at Form 4, Chapter 1. Which of the following is the correct category for the waste above? Obviously category C. Okay, all these are under category C. Now, guys, for this particular part, the best would be for you to refer back to the reference book or textbook. All right, because different categories, they have different items inside. So that one you have to roughly know. Okay. Okay, question number 2. For question number 2 here, guys, I'll change to red ink. Seems more suitable. Okay, X is vacuole. Vacuole is an organelle. Therefore, Form 4 Chapter 2. Form 4 Chapter 2. Oh, this is the answer. Number 2 answer is donkey. Yeah, easy peasy for this one here. Okay, number 3. Which of the following acts as antigen for cell identification? Guys, Form 4 Chapter 3, I want you to draw 1 star for this. Guys, I want you to draw 1 star for this. And please highlight, I mean, if you printed it out in the form of hard copy, please highlight antigen for cell identification. Antigen bagi pengecaman sel. Now, this is carried out by something called glycoprotein. Glycoprotein refers to a protein whereby on top there's carbohydrate. At the bottom, protein, on top is carbohydrate. So it cannot be B because B is just a protein. C is just a protein as well. Then donkey is phospholipid. Therefore, answer is A. Because I can see the carbohydrate here. At the bottom is definitely a protein. Okay. So therefore, I mean, actually the main thing is that the carbohydrate will carry out the identification. So therefore, number 3 answer is A. Okay, please take note, draw 1 star. Okay, next. For question 4, still the same topic, Form 4 Chapter 3, because we are dealing with the ending part, which is osmosis. What are the types of sugar solution, X and Y, compared to the potato cells? This is a very, very popular past year and also percubaan question. Even in schools, I think there's a high chance a lot of you have seen this question in your Form 4 midterm or maybe your year end. Draw 1 star. But good news is that it's quite simple. When we put in sugar solution X, it becomes turgid. Why? Because water entered. Why did water enter? Because outside is hypo. Now, the opposite happens when we put plant cell in larutan Y. Larutan Y, sugar solution Y is where water move out. Guys, water move out because outside is hyper. Do we have an answer here? Hypo and then hyper. Yep, answer is A. So number 4 answer is A. Number 5, from Form 4, Chapter 4, polysaccharide is under the food class of carbohydrate. So definitely glucose. Many glucose join together to form a polysaccharide. Okay, number 6, which is correct about Z? Now, Z, as the diagram speaks for itself, Z is something that can block the active site, preventing substrate from attaching. So this is what we call an Inhibitor dalam BM perencat. Inhibitor. Oh, I'm supposed to select the answer. Okay, so number 6, it's not a cofactor. Cofactor is to help the substrate to join, but this one is to prevent. So 2 is okay, stop, okay, last is wrong. So answer is boy. It's not a good thing like inhibitor. All right. Number 7 is from Form 4, Chapter 5. Oh, just to let you know as well, from enzyme topic as well. Okay, number 6 and 7 both are from Form 4, Chapter 5. Okay, number 7. What happens if what happens if Q fail to fuse with plasma membrane? Guys, Q is a secretory vesicle. Secretory vesicle, vesicle rambescent. It is supposed to, as you can see here, release enzymes out of the cell. So if no Q, therefore enzymes cannot be secreted lah. Enzim tidak boleh dirembeskan. Okay. Number 7 donkey, number 8 Form 4 chapter number 6. Guys, Form 4 chapter number 6. Which of the following is correct? So 24 is the total number of chromosomes. For zygote, it has to be the same. For ovum, because ovum is a gamete. Guys, gamete always have half of the total number of chromosomes. Half is 12 lah. Okay, only gamete is half, the rest are all the same. Gamete means, for those who are not well versed, reproductive cell pembiakan. Ovary have to be the same one. Meaning your whole body, guys. I'm assuming all are human, whoever that watch this, you either have sperm or ovum. Okay, not both lah. So you either have sperm or you either produce sperm or ovum. Sounds a bit funny, but these two types of cells, they are considered to be haploid lah. They are considered to be haploid. Okay, haploid means half the total number lah, half. Okay, guys, number 9, tiba-tiba, oh no, this is still under Form 4, but Bab 7. Waterlogged area. Guys, waterlogged area, what can you make sense about this particular 2 words? Anaerobic. Guys, anaerobic. Anaerobic, the product will be ethanol CO2. Ethanol CO2. While aerobic, guys, aerobic, always carbon dioxide and water. Yeah, there's an answer here. So number 9 answer is A. Okay, number 9 answer is A. And for number 10, it's very simple, guys. This is from 4 chapter 8. Number 10 answer is C. Okay, number 10 answer is C. So hopefully the first 10 you got all correct, because I think it's still quite simple. The first 10. Okay, 11. Obviously, we are dealing with Form 4 chapter 10. No, sorry, this is still 8, because here we are looking at partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So for question 11, they just want the adaptation. Adaptation means how are they efficient? The first one is wrong, should be lower. In the blood capillary, CO2 is, the oxygen is always lower. Not really. So moist and then thin. So number 11 is 3 and 4, donkey. 11 donkey, 12 Form 4 chapter 8. Form 4 chapter 8. Which of the following is the difference between human and fish respiratory system? We don't have folded inner surface. No lah, guys. We have alveolus lah. We have alveolus. B seems okay. B seems okay. Then Gill Raker. Okay, Gill Raker got artery and vein. Surrounded by a network. Okay, this one seems okay. But here we can't really see the Gill Raker, guys. We can't really see the Gill Raker here. Yeah. Thin. Thick. This is wrong. So the best answer is boy, guys. For number 12, the best answer is boy. Okay, from Form 4, Bab 8. Okay, 13. Who's this? Yeah, so this bodybuilder looks himself in the mirror and say he's not muscular enough. Okay, this is called muscle dysmorphia. They keep feeling the need to be fitter. All right. So it is a health problem. It is a health problem. For those who are not aware, gastric is a word that we commonly use. The more accurate term is gastritis, because you probably miss food intake for quite a few times. Then you may get gastric, but the accurate term is gastritis. Anorexia nervosa means don't eat, then become super skinny, become very skinny. Bulimia is whereby eat a lot, followed by regurgitation. Regurgitation means vomit out. They will dig and vomit out whatever they have eaten. Okay, 13 donkey. 14, a boy accidentally cut his finger. So what caused the blood to clot slowly? So 14 here, answer is boy lah. Okay, boy. Because why? Guys, we learned that during blood clotting, platelet clump, along with vitamin K and calcium ion, will convert prothrombin to thrombin. So nothing to do with vitamin D, then the rest doesn't really make sense. So 14 answer is boy. Guys, 14 answer is boy. For 15 here, which of the following is correct about active and passive? For 15 here, if you have gone through the whole table, okay, answer should be boy. Okay. These two terbalik. Active takes time, guys. Active takes time. And again, this is fine, but this is not through placenta. This is not through placenta. This one is the terbalik, opposite. 15 answer is boy. 16 C, dopamine is a neurotransmitter. Guys, can you think of other neurotransmitter? Other neurotransmitters include acetylcholine. Okay, insulin is hormone, adrenaline is hormone. Yeah. So 16 answer is C. 16 answer is C. 17, this is the medulla. Medulla oblongata, they control involuntary action. Okay, from 4 chapter 12, whereby we learn about nervous system. Then for 18 is still the same, from 4 chapter 12. Okay, so guys, do you know how to differentiate between afferent, efferent? I always teach my students, if you see the alphabet A here, so Q is afferent, P is efferent. All right, so afferent is always from receptor to the central nervous system, whereas this is the answer lah, guys. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. 18 answer is A. 18 answer is A, guys. 19 form 4 chapter 13. This is what we call a nephron. Nephron is the functional unit. Nephron is the functional unit in a kidney. What are they asking? Oh, secretion. Okay, secretion always occur. Guys, revision. Because I think if you're watching this, definitely you are recapping. Revision. What is the purpose of secretion? If you are able to answer mentally, I mean, if you say out loud, it's very weird, but if you can answer yourself mentally, oh, sir, secretion is referring to the waste products being actively secreted into the DCT, revision, distal convoluted tubule. Okay, so it's referring to the waste products actively secreted into the distal convoluted tubule, and from here being excreted. Ta-da, this is the answer lah. So number 19 answer is C. And 20 is referring to Form 4, Chapter 14, locomotion and support. So this is the disc, okay? This is the disc between the two vertebrae. The main function is to absorb. Guys, you see, as we jump and land, there's pressure along our backbone. Better word, there's shock. So this will help to absorb the shock. So an athlete suffered injury at part T. What is the effect? Answer is C. Okay, answer is C. Fail to absorb the impact. Nothing to do with blood flow, nothing to do with synovial fluid, ligament completely out. Because ligament join bone to bone. Ligament join bone to bone, guys. Next, 21 is from Form 4, Chapter 15. Corpus luteum is due to a high level of LH. Okay, due to a high level of LH. Okay, 22. This is referring to a normal umbilical cord, guys. Normal umbilical cord. A single umbilical cord. Okay, single umbilical cord is whereby they only have one artery. And this is a K-bar question. Please draw 1 star. You write K-bar. Obviously from the same topic, Form 4, Chapter 15. Guys, Form 4, Chapter 15. So here, what happens if single umbilical artery? Oh, this is a 2-star question. Now, students always I don't use the wrong word. Students always forget, often not all, but often forget as far as this part is concerned. You see, from mother to fetus, I use a very layman way to explain, a very straightforward and simple method. The good stuff is always being transported to the anak, to the fetus. So the good stuff will be what? Oxygen as well as nutrients. The bad stuff is back to the mother, okay? CO2 and then waste products. Now the thing is, you have to know, from mother to fetus is umbilical vein. Fetus to mother, umbilical artery. So when lack this artery, we say that, okay, this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. More CO2, this is wrong. Less CO2 is removed because less artery. Okay, guys, please take note of this. Please take note. Okay, 22 answer is donkey. As for 23, guys, we have officially entered the first topic of Form 5 Bio, Form 5 Chapter 1. So here, this is vacuolation, whereby small vacuole combine to form a large vacuole. 24, guys, there are 3 factors. Oh, sorry, this one. Light independent means dark reaction. Dark reaction CO2 is very important because if you remember, the first point we say CO2 is reduced. This is what is needed to start the whole light independent process. So 24 CO2 is important. Okay, guys. So this one here is Form 5. Oh, just now was Form 5, Bab 2. Form 5, Chapter 2. Now, for question 25, which of the following is correct about the arrangement? Form 5, Chapter 2, and this is a K-bar. So, why are these spread out? Although different layer, you see, the first, if you can see, the first layer is like that. The second layer, the leaves are more to the side. The third layer, another side here. So that every layer can get sunlight. So 25 answer is C. Guys, 25 answer is C. Now, for 26, which of the following is correct for plant Y? Form 5, Chapter 3. So they live on a taller plant, epiphyte. They just want to get more sunlight for photosynthesis, because if they are at low land, if they are on land, they can't really get much sunlight. Guys, can you give me example? Examples include bird nest fern as well as staghorn fern. Okay, I personally like these two a lot. I have bird nest fern. That day, my friend wanted to give staghorn fern, but it's a bit too big. Damn huge that day, the one he wanted to give me. Anyway, that's not the main point. Okay, so 26 answer is boy. Guys, 27. So, water moving into the root hair. Okay, here. Okay, we are at question 27. So, Form 5, Chapter 4. Okay, Form 5, Chapter 4. So, water entering the root hair cell. Guys, water entering the root hair cell is because ions, they are pumped out of the cell sap. Then this causes water in the soil to enter the root hair cell. Okay, guys, if you forgot, have to go through Form 5, Chapter 4. Okay, for 27. 28, phytoremediation. Guys, phytoremediation. What is the main function of plant X in this project that can be related to its transport? Oh, we straight away have the answer, phytoremediation. Form 5, chapter 5, this one. Okay, 28, answer is boy. It is 4, sorry, it is 4. Form 5, Bab 4. Okay, response in plants, Form 5, Chapter 5. So what is the response here? So obviously is to gain support. Obviously is to gain support. 29 donkey. And Form 5, Chapter 6. Guys, nucleus in megaspore, 3 times mitosis to form 8 nuclei. So this occurs in embryo sac. So if you remember, from this one nucleus, they become this 3 on top. 3 antipodal cells, 2 synergic cells, 1 ovum. These two are polar nuclei. I call it 3 to 1. 3 antipodal cells on top, 2 synergid cells, and 1 ovum. Guys, 1 ovum. So 30 answer is A. 30 answer is A. 31, process Z is where microspore mother cell form pollen grain. So this is meiosis then mitosis lo, guys. Why mitosis? Because one nucleus will form these two nucleus at the end. Okay, 31A, same topic, Form 5 Chapter 6. Because Form 5 Chapter 6, we look at pollen grain formation, embryo sac, and then double fertilization. Okay, 32, Form 5 Barb 7. So we can see a halophyte here. Halophyte means they live in mangrove swamp. They live in mangrove regions. So, guys, what is M? Pneumatophores. Pneumatophores, they come up for gaseous exchange. Answer is C. 32, answer is C. 33, answer is boy. 33, answer is boy. Because arthropod is a phylum. Arthropod is a phylum. Some of you may think that it's insecta. Insecta is class. It is class, not phylum. For those who don't know phylum, it means this. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So mereka nak phyla, tapi ini kelas. Animalia is a kingdom. Okay, so 33 boy. 34. So if the producer here is 2400, once reach third tropic level, be very careful. First, second, third tropic level. So third tropic level, you should multiply 10% energy transferred twice. So 2400 times 10%, you should get 24 kilojoule. This 2004 kilojoule. So 24 kilojoule. 34 answer is boy. Guys, 34 answer is boy. Okay, next. Last few questions for this session. Last 6. This one, draw 1 star. Just to give you a heads up, in SPM Bio, they don't give you formulae. They don't give you formula like how they give the formulas to you in physics as well as NMATS. So what is the percentage coverage? So total this here, okay, 0 0.4, 0 0.9, 1.0, 1.8. Okay, 1.8 over 6 quadrat, each is 1 meter squared times 100%. So guys, if we hitungkan, if we calculate it, if we calculate it, 1.8 divided by 6 times 100% is there 30? Yeah, 30%. So 35 answer is C. 35 answer is C. Okay, next. Oh yeah, again. So this one is from Form 5 Chapter 9. Form 5 Chapter 9. Form 5 Chapter 9, correct? Yeah, Form 5 Chapter 9. Too many topics are bio. Serious, guys. Too many topics. Last time, if you do not know, last time KBSM only 15 topics. Now 28. Guys, you didn't hear wrongly. Dulu 15, sekarang 28. Okay, so for question 36, is Form 5 Chapter... Form 5 Chapter... What's this? 9, still 9. Still 9. Okay, so for question 36, which of the following aspects are emphasized based on the tree logo. So you can see the halal logo. I bet most of you can recognize the halal logo because a lot of makan places in Malaysia, we have this halal logo, so that Muslims can eat in that particular restaurant. Okay, for 36, to maintain certain quality, actually when they certify means that it must meet certain standard Okay. They are not so much into the nutritional needs of diet guys. I mean, I think this is very obvious because if you go out to eat, I think I can say this most of the time, those food that are nice are normally not so healthy unless you're going for those organic base or okay. It's more to the processing and manufacturing standard. So 1 and 4 answer is donkey. 36 donkey. Okay, guys, Form 5, Chapter 10. Which of the following is the negative impact? Which of the following is the negative impact of this deforestation? Global warming. Global warming. 37C, 38. Inheritance, Form 5, Chapter 11. Which of the following is the correct genotype? If fail the test, colorblind, guys, I call it CB. Colorblind, I just mean it as colorblind. So, colorblind male, colorblind female. Colorblind male, colorblind female. So, guys, either one of these have to be the answer, definitely. So, 38 donkey. 38 donkey. 39. Which of the following causes discontinuous variation? This one is mutation. Quite easy. It's quite easy. Form 5, Chapter 12. And finally, guys, question 40. What is the role of X? Okay, X is something that you... here they specified insulin. They specified insulin. So X here refers a bit more to the vector. This plasmid here is a vector because it carries the human insulin gene. So what's the role of X? Produces restriction enzyme? No. Should be boy. Okay, wait. Determine position? No. Copy? No. Answer is boy. Okay. All right, guys. So that's all for this particular session. I'll see you in paper 2. Okay, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Okay.